Hello, I'm Debra Arlyn, and I just wanted to introduce myself to the community of Unity at Central Oregon and say that I'm really excited to come spend time with you guys coming up on Sunday, May 5th, where I'm going to be talking about how we can dream our way forward by getting clear about our intentions, increasing our ability to focus, and partnering with our intuition. I am an intuitive development coach. I am an award-winning singer-songwriter. So I'm going to be speaking and singing for you guys and sharing a little bit of my story because I'm also a mom. I'm also a person of the world that has to deal with all the stresses and anxieties and challenges and obstacles that arise. And it's true, life is difficult. And stress, anxiety, and burnout are on the rise. And I am so passionate about empowering people to never give up believing in the power of their dreams, to never give up in the power of the mental pictures that they can hold in their mind and hold tight to what they believe to be true about themselves and what they desire to create in the world. So please join me Sunday, May 5th. I'm going to be coming in with lots of great stories and a heartfelt message, and I would love to meet all of you and connect. So I hope to see you soon.